Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to redeem Sweatcoin rewards the smart way, no scams. If you've been walking and stacking Sweatcoins, here's how to safely turn them into real products, gift cards or cash. Step number 1 is to open the official Sweatcoin app, download or update the Sweatcoin app from the App Store and open it. Only use the official app, never log in from outside links or website pretending to offer instant rewards. Go to the marketplace tab and then click on the bag item in the bottom. This is where you guys can get all legit offers live from brands, charities, and PayPal Cashouts. You'll see. Sorry, choose your reward type. You'll see three sections: daily offer, limited offer, marathon offers. When you find a PayPal or gift card deal, tap it, follow on the screen steps carefully. Most offers require you to confirm your email or link with your Sweatcoin account. Payment usually arrives within 24 to 27 hours, and go to profile purchase history to confirm your rewards. This shows you claimed and when payouts when safe. Safety tip: never give your password or PayPal login on random websites. Real Sweatcoin offer never asks for that. Quick fix: if a reward does not show up, refresh the market price with marketplace, check your internet, or wait until new offers restocks. By PayPal ones sell out fast. Subscribe for more quick fixes.